Well, hi everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. Here we are starting off our second week of the year, much better than a week ago, the first week of the new year. It's about 40 degrees warmer out there this morning than it was a week ago at this time. So that's first off a nice thing. We had a good day yesterday. We have several more nice days ahead of us here, but things going downhill Wednesday late in the day into Wednesday night. You may have already seen my Facebook Live post from last night. I'll get into a little bit more detail here, but things really haven't changed much, as again, things are still looking to be rough for parts of the area. But again, for now, things are fairly quiet today. We'll see a mainly sunny day, although some high clouds will come in from the northwest, especially later on in the day. We'll increase those clouds tonight just a bit, but a decent night ahead of us as temperatures sit in the 20s and 30s for overnight lows. It could become mostly cloudy, though, later in the night and continuing into at least tomorrow morning, but then more sunshine by tomorrow afternoon with another mild day expected. Again, we've got about 2 or 3 more mild days with a lot of snow melting to occur. That'll be nice to have a good chance maybe to take down some of the Christmas decorations ahead of that storm system that's going to be approaching here after the daytime hours of Wednesday. So let's take a look first off at temperatures for today. Temperatures will be topping out in the mid to upper 40s up north under mainly sunny skies. Could be a few extra clouds off towards the west here. In fact, I went mainly sunny, but would not be surprised if it's partly cloudy for a few of you, though. Around the 50-degree mark along I-80, but then farther south, mid-50s for high temperatures there closer to the Kansas border. To the south, we're looking at temperatures around 49 or 50 in the Tri-Cities, but a little warmer in northern Kansas in the low to mid-50s. And to the east, temperatures topping out mid to upper 40s, although could reach the lower 50s around Hebron, Bella, Kansas there. Not too much wind for today in most locations. So looking really good out there. Now let's jump ahead. We're going to go to Wednesday here, and this is a one forecast model, but it just kind of gives you an idea. Now, I'm not going to talk snowfall totals, but again, Wednesday looks to be nice during the day, but late Wednesday afternoon, there is the potential to pick up a little bit of light rain out there. I know this model's not showing much, but most models have at least a little bit of light rain starting to move in Wednesday late in the afternoon, mid to late afternoon hours. There could even be some thunder, especially off towards the southeast, but then that rain changes over to snow as a shot of cold air comes in behind a cold front that'll be diving southeastward, and that snow could pick up and become quite intense out there as we get into the evening and overnight hours. I would say especially 9 p.m. through 6 a.m. Thursday is looking like very rough travel for some of you. Now, where the heaviest band sets up, that's still kind of a question. This model has it set up right over the Tri-Cities. Other models are a little farther northwest. This could be a very intense rate of snowfall, which would make it very difficult to drive. Not only that, but strong northerly winds on the backside of this low pressure system are going to be causing a lot of blowing snow out there as well. And could be what could be near blizzard conditions, if not blizzard conditions out there for some. But again, where exactly the worst of this is to yet be determined here. But as we get towards Thursday morning, after I'd say mid-morning, most of the snow is out of here. The problem is it'll be much colder first off on Thursday, but also we keep the strong northerly winds going. So even if the snow is done, blowing snow is still going to be a problem during the day on Thursday. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Now let's take a look at our 3-day forecast. Again, nice for the next 3 days. We've got mild days ahead, finally melting off some snow just in time for more to come into play. Again, abrupt changes late Wednesday as we can see that late day rain, and then eventually rain will change over to snow Wednesday evening after dark as that cold air works in. Winds picking up, so blowing snow a problem overnight Wednesday night, very early on Thursday, and even again as snow wraps up during the morning hours of Thursday, blowing snow is still going to be a problem during the day. Cold conditions Thursday, highs only in the teens. We get back into the 20s on Friday, another round of what looks to be much lighter snow. This does not look to be nearly as significant on Friday, but that's also coming with another shot of cold air for Saturday. Highs struggling to 10, and look at those lows. And along with that, it also means wind chills will be down there well below zero once again. We're back into the 20s for your day on Sunday with partly cloudy skies. So again, there's a lot to talk about the next couple of days, but certainly Wednesday night, the overnight time frame, and probably even I would say during the daytime hours of Thursday, just with the blowing snow threat, we're looking at some tough travel conditions out there. So be very careful out there. We'll give you more details in the coming 24, 48 hours as we get closer to this event, get a better idea of snowfall totals, which again could be pretty decent along with blowing snow. So we'll give you a better idea of how that kind of plays out here in the coming days ahead. But until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have a great Monday, and God bless.